Yeah, Coca-Cola, tea, walk it up, you know what it is, fake smiles. I asked my brother why they people smiling in my face, like for real, for real. I asked my brother why they people smiling in my face, like for real, yeah. I could tell somebody being fake, but already acting different. I could hear the jealousy in somebody's voice, but already talking different. I could see the snake in somebody's eyes, but already moving different. Yeah, I be in my own little bubble, I be in my own little lane. Look, I'm in my lane, I swear to God, you had to give me the rest. I swear to God, tell me why these niggas hating on me. They mad cause I'm on my come up. They gon' try and get me going at the perfect time. I keep that gun on me everywhere I go. I feel like I need a gun. The niggas they mad, cause they mad I'm on my come up. I'm sick and tired of fake people around. I'm sick and tired of fake love. Man, I want real love. I swear to God, people every time they lying to my face. I swear to God, family lying, friends lying, everybody lying. Everybody switching up, everybody don't pick a side. Man, fuck that shit. I'm sick and tired of fake ass shit. Fake smiles all over. They got fake smiles all over. Everybody got fake smiles. Everybody got fake smiles. I know y'all can hear the pain in my voice. I know y'all can. I know y'all can feel the pain in my body. I got so much dumb anger in my body. I don't know what to do. I punched the wall, got a hole in it. There's so much anger in my face. I swear to God, I asked my brother why the fuck the people smiling in my face. I asked my brother why the fuck the people smiling in my face. I could tell somebody being fake, by the way they acting different. I could hear the jealousy in somebody's voice, by the way they talking different. I could see the snake in somebody's eyes, by the way they moving different. Please get off of me, y'all don't wanna see the other side of me. I swear to God, I'm out here for life. Fake smiles, screaming fuck love.